Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Sisngi hadian bagi dekat jong ke Harijan Panchayat Komiti, kilalet ikendo yulat ke jela utatha gata roy, ban pensengau hu halor ke song pisa, ya ke baka sarkar Punjab, kalapan bena ban aji rap ikijai ban reusi, kibasyong basa hathem yo maulong, nakalang kinong thok kubur. Henne kasngi ke arpotrek mentau benai no pra arjakar pra. Hadian belawai ke jelang pelat pajba ye ke skim Megha Health Insurance Scheme. Phase 4 kilayo la ru banyak keren bat menteri rang ba ke jela halor kini ke benta. Habai keren bat ukonrat ke sangma halor ke jingkeli ke ya ke baka sarkar kan sim ha ke baidai bat kini ke benta. Menteri rang ba ulaong ba nakalang jo umdan ai ban khang ya ke jingle ye kendu jongki. Tang baka sarkar kan de yala ke jong ke benta. Kata bensimbat ya karai bala menjur deka high level committee ya kabaka sarkar kala dep thau.
No, I think there's no question of going slow or going fast. It's a question of following the process, and procedure will be followed and ensure that all the aspects will be taken into consideration, and then only the high committee will move forward in whatever way we should move forward, and after taking everything into consideration. So there's no question of moving slow or fast. It's a question of following the process.